We're here in Collegetown Court on the 3rd floor landing. You can see the elevator right over here, and we're going to go into apartment 305. This is a 5-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment on the 3rd floor of this 5-floor elevator building. We're entering through the kitchen. This has a renovated kitchen. We think these colors are gorgeous in here. We love the gray. The stainless refrigerator is great. We've got the dishwasher. There's the sink, the microwave, lots of cabinets, cupboards, and drawers. There's the stove and oven over here. We've also got a nice light fixture up above here in the kitchen. So that's a great kitchen renovation that we've done here in these apartments. Let's take a look at the living room. This is a generous living room space. You can see we've got good space over here on our left. You could certainly move furniture items around. Maybe that table might look nice there. You could add some of your own additional seating options. The TV does come with the apartment. You can see our seating items over here and tables. There is an air conditioner here in the living room area. The living room does face to the east. The air conditioner is for the living room. It's not a whole apartment air conditioner. Let's go take a look around at the bathroom and the hall closet and then see the bedrooms. There are 4 bedrooms on this north side, and let's go see the bathroom first. That's this door right here. So here's the bathroom. Bathrooms are similar in the apartments. We've got a tub shower with a sliding door. There's the sink and vanity that does open up for more storage underneath, toilet, and there's a small cabinet on the wall. Towel bars in there. This apartment also has a small storage closet at the end of the hall. That's a great spot for luggage or some other little odds and ends that you might have in the apartment. Let's go take a look at the bedrooms. So there are 4 bedrooms on this side. This is the north side of the building. We are in the back, away from the street. This is the quieter side of the building because we are not on the street side. These first 4 rooms will have the same closet, a regular size closet. They will all have the same furnishings, dresser, desk and chair, full-size bed, and a bookshelf. And these are facing, again, to the north. There's a church over here behind us, so it is a pretty quiet part of the Collegetown area. They're not very noisy over there. And you can see the bookshelf over here. These 4 bedrooms, same size. The difference will be the position of the closet. It was on the left on this first one. It's going to be on the right in this next one. This is room 2. You can see closet on the right. Take a look also at how they've arranged the furniture in these different apartments. You may move furniture around however you like within an apartment, and moving the furniture around will definitely give you a different feel for the layout of the room and the floor space. So again, church behind us. Here in this dense area of central Collegetown. Collegetown Court is located at 208 Dryden Road. We're right in the center of Collegetown. We're just a half a block up from that main intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. This is room 3 that we're going into next. So again, the closet will be on the left on this one. See the furnishings again. Different arrangement of the furniture, as you can see. This building has 5 floors. There's an elevator. There's laundry on floor 2. There are trash and recycle rooms on each floor. There's a fitness room on floor 1. There's a locked entry with intercom and buzzer. You're about a block away from the rental office where you would get your packages and any kind of rental office assistance that you need. Let's go into room 4. Again, facing to the north, same as the other apartments or rooms here. Room 4. Same furnishings, same things. We just want to make sure you have a view of all the rooms. Let's go across into room 5. Room 5 is slightly different for 2 reasons. First of all, it's facing to the east. This is the only east-facing bedroom, so that's great for somebody that wants a little bit more morning light. It would be especially bright in the morning. We're over the entrance to the building here, and this one has a little bit more floor space at the front because the closet is recessed. It's not built into the room. And this one does have the larger closet in this apartment. So largest closet of the bedrooms in here. Look at that, it goes there, all the way over here. That's pretty wide. think one of the larger closets within the whole building, actually. So this is a look at Collegetown Court. We're in apartment 305. This is a 5-bedroom, 1-bathroom apartment with a renovated kitchen. We have this layout available on floors 2, 3, 4, and 5 in this 5-floor elevator building. You'd want to check the videos to see the renovations within the different apartments here at Collegetown Court.